Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to use CapCut app. So in order to learn how to use CapCut app, you must first have the application. I already have one, so I'm directly gonna go and tap on my application. So after tapping on the CapCut app, you'll see new project option. You'll have to go and tap on new project option. So here you can choose video that you want to edit. I've chosen one video. Now I'm gonna go and tap on add and you reach to this page. Now you have option to either mute or unmute the video. You can tap to unmute it. So you can see lots of option at the bottom end of the video. So at the bottom left you can see edit option. You can tap on the edit option and there you can see split. So you can tap on split and move your cursor further and delete your video that you want to delete. So there are other few options as well. You can change text by tapping on text icon. Here you can add text, add stickers, and there are many more options to it. So there are other few options as well. You can change speed, you can add animation styles, you can even adjust your video, you can increase or decrease your brightness and tap on right icon at the bottom right after you edit. So there are other various features as well, such as edit, retouch, cutout. You can even change volume by tapping on volume icon and increase or decrease your volume. You can even add filters on your video by tapping on filter icon and you can choosing various filters given. You can even change the shape of the video by tapping on mask icon. You can change the shape to circle or rectangle or split the shape of the video. You can also change the ratio of the video by tapping on the ratio icon. You can make it appropriate for TikTok, Instagram. Also by tapping on add audio option, you can either record your sound or extract your sound. You can voice over and there are various other features as well. Also at the top right you can see 720p written. You can tap there and change the resolution, frame rate and code rate of the video. So right beside that you can see download icon. You can tap on download icon and export your video. So that is how you use CapCut app. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for joining in.